A very good morning, children. So again we came here with the new topic of the same chapter, chapter 7, learning. See, this is a chapter, learning, where we are learning also. Okay, so we learn that what is learning. Okay, how is it different from memorization, and we learn about the different characteristics of learning. Now we are also learning some theories of learning, or we can say that some methods of learning. While studying the methods, we studied first method, the classical conditioning. Then we studied the second method, operant conditioning. Today we are going to study the third method of learning, which is an observational learning. So the topic of our today is observational learning. See, we learn from children. We learn from so many ways. Okay, some learn by conditioning. Okay, some things we learn by conditioning. Like in the school, the bell ringing was conditioned of us. We know that after the fourth period there was the recess, so that was a conditioned learning. Okay, sometimes we learn by reinforcement. Okay, when anyone reinforced you for anything, for any good or bad thing, so you learn that that particular thing is good and that particular thing which I have done is bad. Okay, so similarly we learn by observing other. देख के भी हम लोग बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. ओके, एंड मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर वी लर्न बाय ऑब्जर्विंग, लाइक कुकिंग है एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स. वो इट टोटली डिपेंड ऑन द इंडिविजुअल. नाउ ये माना जाता है कि चाइल्ड इन द चाइल्डहुड द ऑब्जर्वेशन पावर इज वेरी strong. You find out in the children are very keen observer. They observe the thing very immediately, very quickly, and then they imitate it also. वो तुरंत उस चीज की नकल भी उतारने लगते हैं. Okay, so have you seen that? And what are the how they to whom they will imitate? किसकी imitation करते हैं? So you studied in the chapter 3rd that there are some socializing agents. Okay, so what are the socializing agents? First social agent for a child is the parent. So parent is the first from whom the child is exposed, जिससे बच्चा एक्सपोज होता है. तो पेरेंट से वे बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. ठीक है, बहुत कुछ लर्न करते हैं. जैसे लाइक आपने देखा होगा बहुत से बच्चे जैसे पापा चल रहे हैं तो वो भी वैसे ही बैठते हैं. दे यूज्ड टू सिट, दे यूज्ड टू वॉक, और इफ देयर इज अ गर्ल चाइल्ड सो दे मैक्सिमम कॉपी हिज और हर मदर. ओके, so this happened. And after the parent come the school. So when the child goes to the school, whom they will observe the teacher. Okay, and teacher is become the second agent of socialization. After the teacher is the peer group. Child also observe their friend, and maximum they observe their friend. How basically their dressing sense and the hairstyle, they also pick up that hairstyle. Girls usually use to do that, boys also do that. Okay, so they observe, child observe very carefully. Then after the what are the last agent is the mass media, television. वो तो सबसे ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर होता है. Like you can see, आपने सुना होगा कि like child used to behave like a Spider-Man and Shaktiman. Okay, so what they imitate, they observe. Okay, so this is one of the very good method through which we learn the behavior. So how we learn the behavior? We learn the behavior by observing other. Now observational learning, there are some important points related to the observational learning. First one is, it is given by Albert Bandura. This method is known by the name of Albert Bandura. This method is also known as imitation. Imitation. Earlier means पहले इसको imitation के नाम से जाना जाता था. This is also known as social learning because we learn social behavior. हम लोग social, we are a social being and we learn social behavior like how we have to respond in the society, how we talk to each other. ठीक है, हम लोग बहुत observe करते हैं and we learn it. So this is social learning. And lastly, this is also known as modeling. So there are so many alternative names of this method. Okay, so it is also known as imitation method, social learning, and modeling. Okay, modeling means example is the fashion designers used to use the models for the display of their dresses. जैसे fashion designers होते हैं, models का use करते हैं. तो modeling क्या है? Okay, so modeling means the person whom you are observing, that person will become a role model for you. Okay, जिनको हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं वो हमारे लिए रोल मॉडल बन जाते हैं. तो जब आप देखते हो कि जो भी पर्सन के रोल मॉडल होते हैं वो दे ऑब्जर्व देम वेरी केयरफुली. अपने रोल मॉडल्स के वो पूरी तरह से उनकी तरह बन जाना चाहते हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस इज ऑल्सो. Now, in this learning method, one experiment was done by the Albert Bandura. उन्होंने एक experiment किया, बहुत ही interesting experiment था. उन्होंने किया क्या? What he has done. Okay, you can see I had written here. Now I had written on the board some of the points, important points, which can be helpful for you for making the notes. Okay. Now what happened? Bandura has first of all collected some group of children. Okay, like 5 or 6 group of children he has collected. Now what happened? He showed them a film of 5 minutes. 5 मिनट का उन्होंने एक फिल्म दिखाया उन बच्चों को. ठीक है. Now what is there in the film? This is the question. फिल्म में था क्या? तो फिल्म में था एक बॉय है, एक चाइल्ड है, वो एक रूम में जाता है. He entered in the room and there was in that room there are so many toys, so many big toys and different kind of toys were there. Okay, बहुत सारे टॉयज थे, बहुत डिफरेंट तरीके के टॉयज थे. वो चाइल्ड एंटर करता है, ही यूज्ड टू प्ले विद द टॉयज एंड समटाइम बिकम एग्रेसिव आल्सो विद द टॉयज. तो ये सारी चीज़ें थी. बस उस फिल्म के 3 वर्जन्स थे. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, बेंडुरा ने क्या किया, बेंडुरा ने जो उन बच्चों को सेलेक्ट किया था फॉर द एक्सपेरिमेंट, उन्होंने उनको 3 रूम्स में सेंड किया. He sent that group of child into 3 different rooms. Now, what are the 3 versions of the film? First version, I had written here also. First version में क्या हुआ, बच्चों ने ये देखा कि कुछ जो फिल्म में जो बच्चे एग्रेसिव बिहेवियर कर रहे थे टॉय को लेके, बहुत उनको हिट कर रहे थे, मार रहे थे, मीन्स वट एवर द एग्रेसिव बिहेवियर शोन बाय द चाइल्ड in that particular film. Okay, so that child was being rewarded. उस child को उसके लिए reward मिला. First version. Second version में क्या हुआ, उसी behavior के लिए उस child को punishment मिली. Are you understanding? And in the third version ना ही उसे कोई means कोई reward दिया गया और ना ही उसे punish किया गया. यानी उन्होंने 5 मिनट की फिल्म दिखाई जिसमें बच्चे एंटर करते हैं रूम में जो कि टॉय से भरा हुआ है, और उसके भी 3 वर्जन्स थे. एक वर्जन में उस बच्चे को एग्रेसिव बिहेवियर के लिए रिवॉर्ड मिल रहा है, दूसरे में एग्रेसिव बिहेवियर के लिए पनिशमेंट मिल रहा है, और थर्ड वर्जन में उसको कुछ भी नहीं दिया जा रहा है, नेदर ही इज रिवॉर्डेड और नेदर ही इज पनिश्ड. ओके, नाउ कैन यू इमेजिन कि उन बच्चों जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट थे, लाइक एज जस्ट टेक एग्जाम्पल 5 स्टूडेंट और द 5 चिल्ड्रन ने फर्स्ट वर्जन देखा, सेकेंड 5 ने सेकेंड वर्जन देखा, नेक्स्ट 5 ने थर्ड वर्जन देखा. मान लो, जस्ट इमेजिन, जस्ट सपोज दैट देयर आर टोटल 15 children on which he is doing an experiment. Now what happened? Obviously you know, I think now you know the results. Okay, what will be the result? So what result? The child learn the things through observation. उसने observation किया और observation के through learn कर लिया. क्या learn किया उसने? जिन बच्चों ने फर्स्ट वर्जन देखा तो उन्होंने ये सीखा कि एग्रेसिव बिहेवियर करना अच्छा होता है. They learned that aggressive behavior is good because in that film the child was being rewarded for the showing the aggressive behavior. So that particular group, that first group, there were 3 groups, first, second, third. First group who has seen the first version film. Okay, so they learned that showing aggressive behavior is very good. Now what happened in the second group? Think that showing aggressive behavior is bad because the film that was shown to them, in that the child was being punished. उन लोग को punish किया जा रहा था. And what happened in the third group? Third group के children पे क्या effect हुआ? They have a no effect. They get confused कि aggressive behavior is good or not, क्योंकि ना उसे reward मिल रहा था उस film में और ना ही punishment मिल रहा था. तो they are confused. They are in a conflict. So this happened due to the child learned by observing that particular film. A particular group of people, the particular group of children, the first group, they learn that aggressive behavior is very good, and the second group of children learn that aggressive behavior is not good at all. Understood? So from this experiment, the Bandura has proved that many things we learn by observing other, or by observing the other things. There are so many examples of observational learning. Like you can see that the child used to play the teacher. Okay, they observe their teacher and similarly they used to play. Even I was also doing. I am sharing my experience with you. I am in from the childhood. I am also playing the teacher game, and by taking my siblings. So this happened that you also have observed that, and even you are also somewhere played a game of such kind like doctor, policeman. Okay, तो क्या करते हैं, ये क्यों, मतलब ये गेम क्यों खेल रहे हैं? मीन्स ये तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि इट इज प्री डिसाइडेड कि नहीं आपको ये गेम्स खेलने हैं या इन गेम्स को आपको बताया गया है. नो, you observe these kind of people and you try to emulate on yourself. Okay, you learn by observing. Okay, so that's why you are playing that game, doctor, teacher, and policeman, housekeeping, and all. So basically from this experiment, there's a definition came of the observational learning is that in observational learning, observer acquire knowledge by observing models' behavior, but performance is influenced by models' behavior being rewarded or punished. Okay, so from this experiment, the Bandura has given the definition of observational learning, that in observational learning जो observer होते हैं, they observe the behavior of the model. Okay, but their performance means for example एक बच्चा है, एक child है who used to see the cartoon of Spider-Man, and Spider-Man is a model for that child, and child is observing the behavior of the Spider-Man, but वो उसके परफॉर्मेंस में नहीं आएगा जब तक वो ये ना जान लेता कि इस बिहेवियर के लिए उसको रिवॉर्ड मिल रहा है या पनिशमेंट मिल रहा है. अंडरस्टूड? सो दैट इज ऑब्जर्वेशनल लर्निंग. Again I am repeating, in observational learning, the observer observe the behavior of the model, but performance is shown as whether the model is being rewarded or model is being punished. Okay, behavior is shown only, performance is shown only when it is clear to the child or any person that the model behavior is rewarded or being punished. So this is all about observational learning. We learn by observing other. There are so many alternative name of observational learning. Who has given the observational learning? These are the important point. And Bandura has given what is his experiment, what are some of the examples which are related to the observational learning. So this, please go through these things and make your revisions. Now I am going to start a new topic, which is the means, or I can say the another method of learning is the cognitive learning.